वज़ीर ख़जाना निर्मला सीतारमन ने कहा है कि जल्द ही नेशनल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पाइपलाइन कोऑर्डिनेशन मैकेनिज्म शुरू किया जाएगा। दिल्ली में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब करते हुए वज़ीर ख़जाना ने कहा कि गुज़िश्ता 5-6 बरस में बुनियादी ढांचे पर जीडीपी का 5-6% खर्च किया गया।
And the stakeholders consultations were with the ministries, with state governments, with infrastructure companies, with developers, bankers, with NBFCs, and also with PE players and industry association. So 70 different meetings were held during the course of the 4 months. And for the 100 lakh crores, today we have a compilation of 102 lakh crores worth projects. However, even as we are talking here, I'm happy to say that projects are coming in, and in the next couple of weeks, we will probably reach a 3 lakh crores. For the 100 lakh crore, 102 lakh crore worth compilation is what I'm giving you now. But in addition, a few more states are coming up with another 3 lakh crore worth of projects. So in all, I think we'll have about 105 lakh crore in total of projects for the 100 lakh crore commitment that we've made. And these projects spread across 22 ministries and 18 states and union territories. We also intend to launch a NIP, the National Infrastructure Pipeline Coordination Mechanism, consisting of the center, the states, and also the private sector, so that they can get into detailed planning and also information dissemination together with monitoring the implementation of this entire NIP framework.
दिल्ली के